Hello, good morning, everybody. Today is 14th of June. So I want us to start analyzing the chart on my screen. This is GBP USD. We have a very good resistance level here. We have a support there. So we expect that since the price has touched the upper line, if this candle here can close above the same place, then this is going to be a good place to look for a buy from. So technically, we are into a buy. We expect the buyers to ascend and close above this point, then push price even higher, at least up to the next level, which is this one here. So this is 1.22653. Then the middle one, this is 1.21999. If the price breaks above this one, then that means you are continuing upwards up to the next level, which is this one here. And in case the price does not break above this line, the one we have at the top here, then we'll expect the sellers to push us down at least up to this point here, where when it breaks below it, we'll pick a sell position. Our stop loss will now be fixed at the high of this candle. So if this becomes the highest candle, the highest high of today, then we want to have our stop loss above it. Our take profit is just 10 pips below our entry. So this here will be a good place to look for a sell from. And the next symbol which we'll be looking at is the Brent oil. The Brent oil, so far we are looking at these two levels. We have the first one at the top. This is 122.732. The one in the middle is 118.3112. You can see that the price actually broke below it. So this here, this is, I think it went at least 10 pips if I'm not wrong. Yes, this went more than 10 pips, so we took profits here. As it is right now, we're not supposed to sell or buy anything except if the price touches this line here. So if the price goes up and ends up touching this line, then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. On the other side, if the price goes down and touches the lower line, we'll be looking for a sell position. Our stop loss is fixed at the high of this candle. This is 122.732, and then our entry is at 118.312. The same chart on a lesser time frame, the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour so far, this is the line we're looking at. This is the resistance we are looking at. We have a support here. There was an attempt to break below both of them here. So where the price is now, we are still expecting that there should be some movements to the upper side up to 113.262, or the price may go down up to 118.602. So that's that. The next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is bullish. We are in a very good uptrend. So you see what happened yesterday. We had a signal here. We had a buy signal somewhere here, and then we also had a sell signal somewhere here. So if you took a buy somewhere here, let's say if this was 10 pips, we say yes, this was 10 pips, the price actually hit your take profit. And if you took a sell here, let's see, this is definitely more than 10 pips. So we took profits. That this was yesterday. Today we don't have any signals as such because we already used the signals we are having. So we have that, and we have that one there. The next instrument is Euro USD. Let's see what we expect on Euro USD here. Just a second. Euro USD, so far we had a sell which was successful. So we took a sell somewhere here. This was yesterday. This is what time? This is around 1 in the morning. We took a sell after the break below this low here. So the price was very much bearish. There is no signal as we're speaking now, but if the price can reach any of these lines, this is around 9 today at night. At 9 today, if the price hits this level here, then we'll pick the highest high and the lowest low and then use those as the signals for the next trade. My next chart, the next chart which I want us to have a look at, is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, we've had price continue to sell off blindly. We've seen a very good long-term downtrend. So we are not going to look for a buy on this chart as it is right now, although this is the correct time to look for a buy position, but we're not going to be looking for a buy as it is now, even if the price should touch this level. If the price touches this level, then okay, actually it was a sell. The sell went successfully. We had a line here, we had a resistance here, took this after this break below this line, the sell off, the price sold off at least up to this point here. So we are not seeing the possibility that the price may give us another sell signal, at least up to this is up to tomorrow. So this will be 15th of July around 3 in the morning. So if the price breaks above, if the price breaks above the lowest low that we'll have after 3 in the morning tomorrow, then that's what will give us a good signal. But as it is now, there is nothing much. We're just holding on to the sell which we took yesterday here. Our stop loss is here. If you like, you can pull your stop loss to break even. That's somewhere around here. This level is 40. This is 4005.4. The next chart, let's see the next chart. When there's a signal, we look at is gold. So on gold, so far on gold we have a very good trend. We have a very good signal. It was used here. We had a signal here. So if you took a sell there, let's see if that went up to 10 pips. If you took a sell there, then you definitely took your 10 pips. You can see that here. Actually, it went up to around 100 pips. So if you had a take profit at 10 pips, you took them. Now you are out of it. Let's see on the Forex if there was any signal. Yes, for us, we had this signal here. There is the first buy. So this buy also did more than 10 pips. So if you took a buy, you had 10 pips. If you took a sell also, you had more than 10 pips. So that's a very good one. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. So far, we can see that gold, there is a very good signal. We have either a sell here or a buy there. On 30 minutes and 1 hour, the same signal is there. So this is a good sign. I will see what happens. Let's see that by the end of tomorrow. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow.